Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crocheted flower scarf designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crocheted scarf designs, flower scarf designs, beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, stylish and trendy crocheted color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of scarf designs. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crocheted flower scarf designs, beautiful patterns. If you want to buy this very beautiful scarf design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet scarf designs, flower scarf designs, knitted patterns? Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.